welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to delete contacts on iPhone. Before we start, here's what we will cover. Step 1. Opening the contacts. Step 2. Deleting contacts. Let us get started. At step number 1, open the contacts. To access your contacts, open the phone app and tap Contacts, or search for it and open the Contacts app directly. Step number 2. Deleting contacts. To delete a single contact, open the contact. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Delete Contact. Tap Delete Contact again to confirm. To delete multiple contacts, use 2 fingers to swipe up or down through your contact list. This lets you select multiple contacts at once. If you accidentally select someone, simply swipe back over their name to deselect them. Once you have selected all the contacts you want to remove, press and hold one of the selected contacts. Tap Delete Contacts and confirm your choice. And that is how to delete contacts in iPhone. And hey, for disclaimer purpose only, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. The steps shown in the video may vary depending on your iPhone model and iOS version. Deleting contacts is permanent unless they are backed up through iCloud or another contact service. Be sure to review your selected contacts carefully before deleting them. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more smart iPhone tips and tricks. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. We are happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.